So students, we are continuing the earlier video topic of applying the superscript. So now how can we apply the superscript? First of all, select the content over here which you want to apply the superscript. After selecting the content, move to the font tab, and from the font tab move to the superscript option that is available over here. As soon as you bring the cursor over here to the superscript, a message box of this type will appear indicating that this is the superscript and this is the shortcut key, shift plus control plus double plus. So you just have to make a left click over here. As soon as you left click over here, the 2 that appears on the normal text line will get shifted to the above the normal text line. Like suppose I have left click over here. As soon as I have left click over here, like look, this is the 2 that got above the normal text line. So this is how we apply the superscript and the subscript in our document. So now I hope that the topic subscript and superscript would be clear to all of you. So now the next topic that we are going to discuss is how to insert the symbols in our document. Like many of the times we require to insert the symbols in our document. Like suppose if we are a teacher, then we are needed to type the mathematics paper in MS Word, and during that time we require some special characters like triangles, division signs, etc. So symbols are generally the special character that can be inserted in a document for writing the mathematical or scientific notations. We can write the mathematical or scientific notations with the help of special symbols. Now how to apply the symbols in our document? How can we insert a symbols in our document? For this, first of all, move to the insert tab. Like this is the insert tab over here. So as soon as you move to the insert tab over here, this is the insert tab. So as soon as you bring the cursor to the insert tab and have a left click over here. As soon as you left click over here, like look, the different groups of insert tab appears before us. Now move to the symbols option. Look, here is the option of symbols. The symbols are written, and here we have 2 different options, say equation and symbols. As soon as I left click on the symbol, so we use generally equation whenever we want to write the mathematical equations, or whenever we want to insert the symbol, just left click over here. As soon as I left click over here, look, the different types of symbols appeared before us. So we can insert any of the symbol that we require from this window. Like suppose if we need some special symbols, then click on more symbols. As soon as I clicked on more symbol, a window of such type appeared before us. Like look, this is the symbol of more symbols that we require in our document. So this is the window of symbols. So here different types of symbols appears before us, and if we want certain more symbols, then we can drag it to the downward side. We will get certain more symbols over here. Look, over here also the different types of symbols that were used recently has been shown. Like suppose I want to insert the division sign, I just made a left click on it. As soon as I made a left click over it, it gets selected, and then I clicked on the insert button. As soon as I clicked on the insert button, the division sign got inserted. Like look over here, this is the division sign that got inserted. So now I can add my text over here. Suppose I have added A, and then I have used B over here, A divided by B. Similarly, we can add different types of symbols in our document as when required. Many of the times there are certain symbols also that are not present in the symbol option. So what we do, we generally move to the MS Paint, and in MS Paint we create that symbol, and then we bring the symbol to our document. So sometimes such situation also arises. In that case, we have to create the symbol in MS Paint, and from the MS Paint, after creating it, we bring to our document and apply it over here. So here till now we have discussed about how to apply the superscript, subscript, and how to apply the different types of symbols in our document. So The further topic will be discussed in the next videos. Thank you.